talking about 5 very simple do's and don'ts for acidity. If you do that, I can assure you that your acidity will be, it will totally disappear for the rest of your life. So the first thing, the first don't is don't skip your meals. The second thing is that do not eat till you're stuffed. So do make sure that you finish your food feeling very light and comfortable. A good way to begin, as I always say, is that you just eat 5 spoons lesser than you normally would have. And so yeah, of course, I mean, this is also a very important point. I'm sure आप सबने देखा है टीवी में advertisement of an antacid जिसमें एक Indian son-in-law को खूब दबा दबा के खिलाया जाता है, and then he feels so acidic, and then he is given a glass of an antacid drink, and then he's fine after that. So I'm exactly talking about this situation. So don't fall into this situation where you have eaten so much that you will need a quick acidity and antacid relief later. So always finish your food a little before, till the time you're feeling light and comfortable and not feeling like overstuffed. So that is the second point. The third point is that do not eat very close to your bedtime. Now again, a thing which is very common in youngsters, and even common in people of middle age, what they do is that they have their dinner or the last meal of their day, and they straight away go off to bed to sleep. The maximum I've heard from people is like maybe in half an hour gap. Now that gap is not really enough, because if you lie down as soon as you finish your meals and you lie down, then it triggers the backflow of stomach acidic contents into the food pipe, causing a lot of acidity. And that is the time when you will typically wake up in the morning having a little khattapan, a little burning thing right here on your food pipe area. That is how you wake up, and that is the time when you should kind of go back and check what time did you have your dinner and what time you slept. So third point is make sure that you have your dinners and your bedtime clearly spaced out. Ideally, you need to be having a gap of 2 to 3 hours between your dinner and your bedtime. The fourth point is about sleep. So having a good sleep is very important when it comes to living an acidity-free life. Also, stress, fatigue, all of these things accumulate together and give a lot of acidity. Again, I have seen a lot of my clients who are into very stressful professions by default face a lot of acidity. So do make sure that you're having good sleep, you're also keeping yourself stress-free as far as possible, and you are giving enough rest and recovery to your body. The fifth and the last point is about alcohol. So do not drink alcohol on an empty stomach. Because when you're drinking alcohol on an empty stomach, then it will damage the mucosal lining of the stomach, and it will create a lot of ulcers and acidities. The reason why you have a party in the night and then wake up in the morning, next day morning with a hangover, also feeling acidic throughout the day, is exactly this, that probably you must have had your drinks on an empty stomach. So if you must drink, then ensure that you have eaten something along with your drinks, or you have eaten just a little before you started to drink.